Hi friend, I'm Farida from Indonesia. Today I will show you how to make amigurumi hijab. It's so cute. Please follow step by step my pattern and don't skip my video. Let's start for make it. Hi friends. For make hat, you can check description. I take link for how to make hat. The hat same pattern how to make Korean handbook. Okay, next we make leg. The first row make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. Then next row 2 make single crochet, 1 2 3, and the last stitch make 5 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 3 4 5. Turn your work, then make single crochet, 1 2. The last stitch make 5 single crochet in the same sentence, in the same stitch, 1 2 3 4. Row 3 to row 4, we just make single crochet every stitches. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Replay again for row 4. 5 make single crochet, 1 2 3, and then decrease, 1 decrease again, 2 decrease, 3 and 4. Next stitch make single crochet, 1 2 3. Six make single crochet, 1 2 3, and then decrease,
4
decrease again, then make single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Row 7, make single crochet every stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 8, make single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and next stitch decrease, 2 single crochet, single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet. We will have 10 single crochet for total. Row 9 to row 22, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until row 22. We will have 10 single crochet for total. Make 2 legs, but another leg don't cut yarn. This cut yarn, but another leg don't cut yarn. And next, make chains, 1, 2, 3, and we will crochet together. In the middle. The first make slip stitch, then make single crochet in the same stitch under slip stitch. Make single crochet 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And make single crochet in chains. We just make 2 single crochet in chains, 1, 2, and make single crochet again 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make single crochet in chain 2 times, 1, 2, we will have 24 single crochet. 24 make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. And make single crochet until row 30. Then continue again, make single crochet every stitches until row 40. We will have 24 single crochet for total. Remember until row 40. I finished for row 40. Don't forget fill fiber. And next row 41. Make single crochet 2 times, 1 2 and then decrease. Make single crochet 2 times, 1 2 and then decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Row 42, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 18 single crochet. Row 43, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch, make decrease. Single crochet, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 12 single crochet for total. Row 44, make decrease every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 6 single crochet for total. My friend, I finished for make body and don't forget for fill fiber again and then take the head and we will sew body and head. Okay, next part we will make hands. The first row, make 6 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, row 2 to row 15, we just make single crochet every stitches. Remember, from row 2 to row 15, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Okay friend, before you sew the hand, fill wire, don't forget using yarn.